Hello geocachers, treasure hunters and thrill seekers. I'm out at Bognor Regis and I'm with oldest friend and I'm going to check on a couple of my geocaches just to make sure they're still in good fettle, because that's why I placed a couple out this way, because I come out here relatively regularly and it just means I can keep an eye on them and make sure they're alright. So we're going to see if oldest friend can actually find this geocache of mine. It's called Are You Feeling Randy Baby? Because it's at Randymere. And then we'll drop down into the valley and have a look, see if you can find the other one, the Great Escaper. Not too far to go at the moment. Let's just have a look at the old Apparoony. So there we go, we'll just click on that, navigate, wait for the passing traffic, and yeah, 390 meters to go. That's a good sign. Look at all the rhododendrons. Wood killer. Killer of woodland. They look pretty, but they're not good. Nearly there, 90 meters away. And if you can see that little hint of blue, that's the sign. That's the true sign. Car! Rhododendrons. Right, here we are. Randymere. Description, blah blah blah. The cache is the size of a 35mm film canister. You'll need a pen, blah blah blah. There is a hint, I think. Did I put a hint? The hint is magnetic. Let's see if you can find it, eh?
What am I looking for?
Something about the size of a 35mm film canister.
Oh, a film canister type thing.
Yeah.
Right, okay. And it's metal.
It's magnetic.
You don't have to climb in.
You don't have to climb in, no.
So it won't be on here because that would be silly when people open it and see it. I'm assuming it should be over here.
Well, because I just looked over there.
Yeah.
I might have been throwing you off.
You weren't though. So I'm assuming it should be around here. But it's not.
Right, I've just had a quick look and found it, and so he knows it's in that corner now, but yeah, it is still there. I did think it had gone missing, but it hasn't. Oh, it's a little bit thorny and nettly in there.
Oh, that's a leaf.
He's found a leaf, everybody. He's found a leaf. He's doing well.
I believe.
Right, hang on, I'm going to go over the fence and film you from the other side.
When you're getting stuck in prickly prickles.
You see, the good thing is, everybody that's watching this now
Can see it.
can see it. That's the interesting thing. He's got it!
Do you know, the daft thing is, I looked at that about 4 or 5 times and I thought it was part of the post.
Which is why I've wrapped it in that kind of tape.
Because that, I thought, oh, it's just a bit of metal. So are you supposed to get into it? It's a bit wet.
Bit damp. Got some signatures on, quite a few people
1,
have
2,
found
3,
it.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When did you put it in?
I can't remember when I put it in. I'll put the date for when I put it in on the screen, somewhere there.
I've got a
He's got a
thorn in my
He's
side.
got a thorn. Right, okay, so that's the first one done. Well done, oldest friend.
Yeah, you pretty much told me.
But the good thing is, at least I know that one's in good fettle and in good shape now. Let's go and have a look for the next one. This next one is called the Great Escaper. 1.7 kilometers from where we are now, roughly. So we get to go downhill this time, which is quite good. There are some rather nice views from this location, which is one of the reasons why I kind of put it here as well. Because I just love this area so much. You know, it's a shame when you look into there, you can see, it might not show up on the camera, but if you can see flashes of pink and purple, that's just how pervasive these rhododendrons are. They're actually creeping quite a way in, especially over there.
Look at that over there.
sometimes there's just no sign at all. Right, we're back at the cars. Let's have a quick look on the Apparuni, see how far we've got to go. Oh look, it's done that crazy thing where it says it's 6,000 kilometres away.
What have you been having that problem?
Oh, it does it with this app all the time. 216 metres down this hill. Oh, not another hill. Yeah, that's what happens when you come to Bognor Regis. This is currently saying we're 189 metres away, which is hogwash. Because it's just over the bridge. Probably because the GPS is getting affected by the trees. But yeah, let's see if oldest friend can find this one, which is very different to the last one. Right, so let's tap on that and have a look at the descriptione. There was quite a lot here about the ESC. You're looking for a camo cache the size of a hospital sample tube. You will need a pen.
Camo cache the size of a hospital. What tube?
Sample tube.
Right.
And so you'll need the hint. And the hint is, hint, careful, you might step on it.
Well, if I'm going to step on something, it's going to be this. It's got to be around here.
Oh, she's gone under, just to make things awkward.
Yep.
Look, she's gone through here. Bleed everywhere.
Is it magnetic?
What, on wood? Yeah. It's got a... Is it magnetic?
Well, it could be attached to a nail. Magnetic nail.
Yeah, but it's not magnetic.
This is why I don't do geocaching. Because now I'm like, give up.
Way! He's found it. We'll make a geocacher out of him yet. Nice. Alright, well that's a bit of fun for today. Back to camping, I think. If you like this little video, you know what to do. All that stuff. You know, all the good stuff. Thanks so much for watching. You take care of yourself. Cheerio.
And goodbye.
I don't know what's going on.